Welcome back to Tech Talk AI. Let's get started. How I would learn AI in 2024. In 2024, learning about artificial intelligence is more crucial than ever. As AI continues to reshape industries, enhance productivity, and drive innovation, understanding its principles and applications is essential for anyone looking to stay relevant in today's fast-paced world. This video will take you on an engaging journey through the fundamentals of AI, exploring its significance in various sectors, from healthcare to finance. We'll break down complex concepts into digestible insights, making it easier for you to grasp the essentials. By the end, you'll not only understand the importance of AI but also gain practical knowledge on how to start your own learning journey in this exciting field. Understanding AI fundamentals. To embark on your AI learning journey, it's essential to grasp foundational concepts. Key terms like machine learning, which enables systems to learn from data, and neural networks, inspired by the human brain, are crucial. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, focuses on complex data patterns and is behind many modern AI applications. A solid understanding of these concepts lays the groundwork for more advanced topics and practical applications. For beginners, resources like online courses from platforms such as Coursera or EdX, as well as textbooks like Artificial Intelligence, a Modern Approach, can provide valuable insights and structured learning paths to help you build your knowledge effectively. Choosing the right learning resources. Selecting effective materials for learning AI can significantly enhance your understanding and skills. Platforms like Coursera, EdX, and Udacity offer structured courses designed by industry experts, making them excellent starting points. However, theory alone isn't enough. Engaging in hands-on projects and practical applications is crucial for solidifying your knowledge. Look for courses that include real-world assignments or capstone projects to apply what you've learned. Additionally, don't underestimate the value of community support. Exploring forums like Reddit or joining study groups can provide motivation, answer questions, and foster collaboration. By combining structured learning with practical experience and community engagement, you'll set yourself up for success in the AI field. Hands-on practice and projects. Practical experience is vital in mastering AI concepts and techniques. Starting with simple projects, such as building a chatbot or an image classifier, allows you to apply theoretical knowledge in a tangible way. These projects not only reinforce your learning but also boost your confidence. Additionally, participating in hackathons or coding challenges can significantly enhance your skills, as they push you to think creatively and work under pressure. Another valuable avenue is contributing to open-source AI projects, which provides real-world experience and the opportunity to collaborate with other developers. Engaging in these hands-on activities will deepen your understanding and prepare you for more complex AI challenges ahead. Staying updated with AI trends. In the rapidly evolving field of AI, staying updated is crucial for anyone looking to thrive. Following reputable AI news websites, blogs, and podcasts can provide you with the latest developments, breakthroughs, and trends. These resources help you understand the direction the industry is heading. Additionally, joining AI communities on platforms like LinkedIn or Reddit allows you to engage with like-minded individuals, share insights, and ask questions. Participating in discussions can deepen your understanding and keep you informed. Furthermore, attending AI conferences and webinars offers invaluable networking opportunities and access to expert knowledge. By actively seeking out these resources, you'll ensure that you remain at the forefront of AI advancements. Networking and collaboration. Networking plays a vital role in advancing your AI learning journey. Connecting with professionals in the AI field can open doors to mentorship, job opportunities, and valuable insights. Engaging with experienced individuals allows you to learn from their experiences and gain different perspectives on complex topics. Collaboration on projects and research is equally important, as it fosters creativity and innovation while enhancing your skills through teamwork. To build your network, consider attending local meetups or online networking events focused on AI. These gatherings provide a platform to meet like-minded individuals, share ideas, and potentially collaborate on exciting projects. By actively networking, you'll enrich your learning experience and expand your professional horizons. Conclusion. In summary, building a solid foundation in AI is essential for effective learning and application. Hands-on practice through projects and real-world experiences will deepen your understanding and enhance your skills. Staying updated with the latest trends and developments in the AI field is crucial, as is networking within the community to foster collaboration and growth. By connecting with professionals and engaging in discussions, you can enrich your learning journey. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe, like, and share it with others who are interested in AI. Together, we can explore this exciting field and unlock its full potential. Thank you for watching.